Namaste. Welcome to Triyogam. Today we're going to learn about Prasarita Padottanasana, wide leg forward bend, in detail with the following key points. Meaning of the asana, steps with breathing, adjustments, benefits, contraindications and variations. Don't miss to watch this video till the end.
Meaning of the asana. Prasarita Padottanasana. In Sanskrit, Prasarita means stretched out, Pada means foot, Uttana means intense stretch, and Asana means pose. In English, it's called wide-legged forward bend. Steps with breathing, feet together. Come into Tadasana. Legs apart, 4 to 5 feet. Hands on your waist. Lengthen your spine. Press the outer edges of your feet and ball of the big toes firmly into the floor. Inhale, lift your chest and your front torso slightly longer. Gaze at the front. With inhalation, tighten the legs by drawing the kneecaps. Lean the torso forward from the hip joint until parallel to the ground. Once your torso is parallel, bring your hands on the ground in line with the shoulders. With inhalation, raise the head up. Keep the back concave. With exhalation, walk your fingertips between your feet. Bend your elbows. Lower your torso. Relax your neck. Maintain the final position from 30 seconds to 1 minute. Inhale and raise the head. Straighten the elbows. Walk your fingertips in line with the shoulders. Hands on your waist. Try to come into upright position. Join your legs and relax in Shitila Tadasana. Adjustments of Prasarita Padottanasana. Adjustment number 1. Your toes pointing forward. Adjustment number 2. Your inner feet are parallel to each other. Adjustment number 3. When you are bending forward, try to lean from your waistline. Try not to hunch your back. Once your torso is parallel, try to bring your hands on the ground in line with the shoulders. Adjustment number 4. When you are inhaling, try to make your back concave. Adjustment number 5 and the last adjustment in the final stage. Try to bend your elbows and bring the palms between the feet. Stay in a normal breath. Variations of Prasarita Padottanasana. Variation number 1. Lean from your waistline. Bring your palm on the ground. Now slowly try to bring your elbows on the ground and relax your neck. Maintain the final position as long as possible from your side. Variation number 2. Hands on your waist. Lean from your waistline until your upper torso parallel to the ground. Try to bring your palms on the ground. From here, now try to catch hold your big toes and lower your torso and maintain the final position as long as possible. Variation number 3. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Lean from your waistline. Lower your torso. In the final position, try to hyperextend your elbows and your shoulder joint. Maintain the final position as long as possible from your side. This is more intense stretch compared to the variation number 2. And slowly come back to relaxation. Benefits of Prasarita Padottanasana. Number 1. Hamstrings and abductor muscles are fully stretched. Number 2. Reduces excess fat in the calf muscle, upper back and waist region. Number 3. Tones abdominal organs. Number 4. Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura chakras are enhanced. Contraindications of Prasarita Padottanasana. This asana is strictly prohibited for people with high blood pressure, acute back pain, cervical spondylitis and vertigo.
If you like our content in the video, hit the thumbs up. Share with your friends. Want to say something? Comment below. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.